continue with what I just mentioned about when I look at this moral teaching of 利欲妒忌心. What I want to say something today is because these several days, what's on my mind is the teaching of Master Li. Master Li recently delivered a very important, most compassionate teaching. And this teaching's name is called, what I translate, the Chinese is called, the name is 为什么? I use the simplified version, okay? That's the simplified Chinese. I'm not doing the traditional version because a lot of Chinese people, they don't read traditional. So I want to make sure the Chinese people also see, this is the title of the teaching of Master Li. Usually we use like this, right? For a title of the lecture. 为什么 means why, 会 means can, 有 means has, 人类 means mankind. So I translate this title into why, because this is 为什么, why. Mankind is mankind. 人类 is mankind. Okay, mankind. 会有 translated into comes into being. That after much meditation, I decided that the translation is this title. Why mankind comes into being. Okay. Now, why I think of, when I see this moral teaching, why I think about this teaching of Master Li. Because I think everybody, as long as you're human, you will have the pursuit for profit, and you have the pursuit due to desire. Desire, wanting, okay? As long as you have these two, then you will be jealous of those who have it and you don't have it. So this is a problem. This is a big time problem for mankind. And due to this problem, then people are basically starting to be sick. This half of the teaching is saying the consequence of this, okay? Now, I do believe that this is something that's called humanness. And as long as you're human, this is unavoidable. But it's about when you know the truth of being a human, the purpose, you actually can go beyond it. And that truth is the light. And I think Master Li delivered the light. For humanity to be able to ultimately get rid of this jealousy issue and will be able to be healed and prevented from going this. I will illustrate a little later, okay? Pause.